Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Dune Buggy fire test. We have bypassed the fuel pump, so we're going right into the carburetor, which is probably a fire hazard or engine explosion hazard, but I want to see if she can turn over. So, when in Rome, ignition coil has coil. Let's turn it on. Fire test unsuccessful. Fire test take 2. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a live fire test. I don't know what test we're on, but I have good faith or good hope about this one. So we're just going to start her out and see how she runs. A welding mask just in case. Got my burn blanket just in case as well. Do not have an extinguisher, which is probably a bad idea, but old coil still on there. So I think I figured out what was wrong. I'll show you guys. I upgraded all my stuff and I don't need this fuse anymore that's in there. I just don't want to burn the coil out, so I had it in there. But I saw a guy using it and he just connected it right to the battery, so I think it's fine if I just wire the battery right to the coil. So I'm gonna just try that. If I burn it up, dang it, but like I kind of want to see some action, see if something gets started, but yeah, it has some fuel. We're gonna try the last fire test. I think that I'll be able to kind of diagnose, but yeah, so here goes. Okay, so I've been tinkering with it a little bit, and I'm starting to hear some life, so we're going to just keep trying it out. She is running, she was out of fuel. Obviously, I'm using this as like a fuel source. So she was running low on fuel. I saw it coming in through here, so she was running low. But oh my, guys, channel update. The Dune Buggy is getting ready to go. All I gotta do is pop this wheel on. I had her like that just to elevate it so I could easily work on it a bit better. But I'm still waiting on a part though, because I don't have this one to be able to secure the distributor. So it's kind of just sitting there. But yeah. So yeah, she's basically ready to go pretty quick here. But she's shaking. Like, she's really shaking. I don't know how to secure it properly. I think I'm just gonna keep it where it is. I mean, it's not like actually, I don't know if it's supposed to be just secured to the transmission. I'm gonna look it up to try to like get some more information on that, because it was shaking. I guess I wrote it like that too, which I guess it might be normal. Transmission's bolted to the frame, so yeah, I got intake coming because obviously this thing's like destroyed. But yeah, new distributor, that's all it needed. A fuel pump and a new coil. That's all it needed, and she came right to life. Obviously, I got the old. Oh shit! I didn't know if that was hot or yet, but I just grabbed it, I guess. But I got gloves on, so I didn't feel it. But yeah, so we just got the muffler wired right to the thing. This is the old muffler. I put some welds on it where I cut too deep. They're not great welds, so don't judge me. I already did an oil change, sparks, everything's working good. The difference with this now is this has all 4 cylinders firing. Before, I only had 2 firing, and that's all the other videos. It was like 2 or 3. So now it's got a full 50 horse and 1,500 cc. So she's gonna be pretty decent. And this is like a new distributor. I don't know if it like has any specialty, like I get more performance out of it. Obviously, I'm gonna get more performance out of the muffler not being in, because there was the heater fab that's around it. Not needed, because obviously it's not enclosed. So for the winter, you don't need to be heated, because there's no point, because like there's no windows or doors, just like a fiberglass frame. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna pop the electronics on, get a fuel tank figured out. I'll bolt something on it, I guess, just something temporary. Yeah, and be tuned on the channel for a test drive, because now she's ready to go. I guess I can give you guys an update on my excavator now that's here. But yeah, so my excavator, I got a new bucket. If you can see it, it's actually like a decent bucket. This is the one I was using before. It's a trench digging bucket for plumbers. It's obviously like not great for big jobs. But yeah, so that one's gonna be good. No teeth on it. Yeah, so that's the situation basically on the channel. But yeah, so stay tuned, guys. She came to life. She's purring. Oh! So yeah, thanks for stopping in, guys. God bless and peace out.